Hello guys, it's your boy David Kwame and welcome to my YouTube channel Davis Hustle. And on this video I'm going to teach you how you can grow your savings on the OKX platform. And this method that I'm about to teach you is going to fetch you over $100 depending on the amount you save on this platform. So if you are thinking of investing or saving at the bank, I urge you to try this method because it's going to help you, and I know what I'm saying. Earn free money on this platform just by saving on this platform. And guys, if today is your first time watching my video, make sure you subscribe and also watch this video to an end. So far, this is one of the best strategy for free income on your savings. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. What at all is OKX? OKX is a DeFi exchange platform that allows you to buy and sell in the crypto market. Similar to Binance, OKX is the third most popular DeFi system on CoinMarketCap. Not only popular, but also ranked third as the most liquid market exchange platform after Coinbase on CoinMarketCap. That is not the reason why we are here, but the main reason is to grow your savings on this platform. Just like I said, watch this video to an end and don't miss the steps. If you are not on OKX, head over to the description down below. The link is there, my link is there. Click on it and sign up on this platform. And also verify with your ID card to get full access of this platform. So without wasting much time, let's proceed. So after the sign up and also the verification process, they are going to approve your account in 30 minutes time. The verification process is actually necessary, so you have to do it. And after your approval, make sure you deposit, and you can deposit any amount, but remember what we are actually going to do. The higher you save, the higher your income. So after you deposit, you find your money straight in the asset menu. Yes, the last one after the growth. So you click on the asset menu, and when you click on the asset menu, funding, you click on funding. That is where you are going to see your money. Actually, mine is in use, that is why you can't find it here. So you are going to see it there after you deposit. So you head over straight to growth. Yes, as you can see, there are three sections here. We have earn and loan and jumpstart. On the earn section, you come straight to the place that it says recommended, and you click on the USDT. Yes, so when you click on the USDT, you are going to see a whole form of investment. We have the simple end, we have the structured product, we have the on-chain, and under the structured product we have the seagull, we have the dual investment, snowball, shark fin 7 days and shark fin 3 days. You get it. And we also have the on-chain, that is the on-chain compound V2, which is flexible. We have the flexible and we have the lock. So what we are going to do is actually the simple earn. Under the simple earn, we have flexible, and also we have the locked. Yes, we have the flexible and also we have the locked. The locked is the one that says 30 days. That is, you're actually going to lock your USDT for this number of days, for 30 days, and out of the 30 days you are going to get 4%, 4.86% of the total amount you deposited or you invested. You get it. You are going to get all the 4%. For instance, when you, let's say when you deposit $100, you are going to get 4% of the $100 within 30 days. So just like I said, you are going to get the entire 4% within 30 days. And also we have the simple earn. Yes, the simple earn, as you can see, the APR, that is the annual percentage rate, is 10%. And with the simple earn, the percentage changes as time goes on. Yes, the percentage changes as time goes on. And that is the simple earn, that is the flexible one. You get it bit by bit, that is every hour, depending on the percentage, the annual percentage rate operating within that time. So as for me, I love to do the flexible one, because I'm going to earn this every hour, so that is what I used to do the most. So you are going to click on the simple earn, and then you click on max. So when you click on max, your entire deposit in your funding wallet will appear in the amount section. Yes, so when you have $100 in your funding wallet, it will directly appear here. Or when you have $1,000, it will appear in the amount section. So after that, you scroll down and then click on the toggle that says I have agreed to simple end user agreement. So when you click on it, the subscribe button will pop up, and then you click on subscribe and you are good to go. And remember, there is no risk involved in this. This is a risk free method. You are not going to risk anything. You are rather saving your, let me say, your money in the simple earn section to gain more. Yes, you are rather saving it to gain more. So it's simple as that. And remember, you are going to get your income every hour depending on the percentage rate operating that day. It's simple as that and easy. Comparing this to banks and other banks that have come into contact, this is far better than that. So guys, I urge you to participate. Let me show you my earn so far within 2 days. I just deposit. After that, the earn section will pop up here. As you can see, earn is 95.8. Let me click on it. I deposit $90 and $95. Let me, and then click here. As you can see, earning percentage rate is 10%. So let's click on it. So here is it. Within last 2 days, this is what I have earned so far every hour. Yes, per hour. This is what I have earned so far. Yes, this is what I have earned so far. So 0.1 cent. I've been doing this for long, but I withdrew my previous earn for other purpose. So this is just for the education purpose. Yes, this is just for the education purpose. So let's head back. Let me show you. Let me get back there. Let me show you something. So let's say today being 11th of July. So 11th of July around 11:04. Yes, 11:04. This is the amount that I earned per hour. See, this is the amount that I earned. So around 12:04, this is the amount that I earned. Remember, you earn per the percentage rate operating that time. Yes, percentage rate. You are going to receive a portion of that percentage rate operating that time, and after you earn, you are going to get bonus. They give you your percentage and then they give you bonus, and as you can see, the bonus is 6% and the percentage rate that I earned, part of it was 4%, as you can see here. So these are free money that I earn, and you can do that as well. There is no risk involved with it. And comparing this to other investment that I've come across, at the bank, this is far better. So imagine you are earning with a huge amount of money. Imagine you are earning with a huge amount of money. Guys, this is OKX, simple word, and it's far better. You can go to some banks and within the whole year you are earning, let's say, 2%. How? You are earning 2%. How? So guys, this is OKX Earn, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And also don't forget to use the link in the description down below to sign up on this platform. And I almost forgot this. When you use the link, there are some benefits that you are going to get. That is a $20 voucher or $30 voucher in trading. Yes, there are a whole lot of benefits. Yes, that is when you use this link to sign up on this platform. Guys, make sure you join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description down below, and also follow me on Instagram at David Kwame _ David Kwame _ The link is also in my description down below. Okay guys, thank you.